Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Coordinator, esteemed teachers and my dear fellow students. A very warm good morning to all. My co-anchor Ekam and I feel deeply honored to have the opportunity to lead today's school assembly.
A very good morning to everyone present. It is indeed a privilege for us, Kashi, and myself to guide this assembly on behalf of Class 8A as we explore the vibrant themes of India's harvest festivals.
Before we begin, let us offer a moment of prayer, giving thanks for the abundance of nature and the blessings for the harvest season and festivals.
Seasons change. Our nation celebrates the bounty of the harvest in diverse and vibrant ways. Today, we'll delve into the significance of three prominent festivals, Baisakhi, Bihu, and Ugadi. Let us begin with some interesting insights on this cherished tradition. Now I invite Nicholas for the thought of the day and Bhavya for the thought explanation.
Harvest reaps the fruits of past labor. These festivals sow the seeds of hope for the future.
This thought links the celebration of a successful harvest with anticipation of new beginnings. It reminds us that every start fueled by our rewards, thank you.
It's important to stay aware of our surroundings, whether they are local, national, or global. So now I invite Tia, Arman, Ruhan, and Mikita for the national, international, sports, and weather news spectrum.
PM
inaugurates India's first vertical lift seabase in Tamil Nadu, flags of train and Coast Guard ship.
Today's international news is the Beijing-based Chinese Institute for Brain Research has inserted wireless chips into 3 patients in the past month and has 10 more lined up for the season.
Today's sports news is Asian Games medalist Narendra Derwal to lead India at Boxing World Cup in Brazil. The Indians men's basketball team has moved up 5 places to 76 in the last FIBA World Rankings. This ranking is India's best in 4 years, last achieved on March 2021.
Today's weather news is the minimum temperature in Mohali is 17 degrees Celsius. The maximum temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. The sun rose at 6:05 a.m. and it will set at 6:45 p.m. There are 10% chances of precipitation and the humidity is 40%.
Cultural fabric is woven with threads of tradition, and the harvest season adds some of its most vibrant hues. From the energetic spirit of Baisakhi in the north to the joyous melodies of Bihu in the east to the auspicious beginnings of Ugadi in the south, these festivals are truly a spectacle. To illuminate the beauty and significance of each of these festivals, we now invite the students of Class 8A to share something about each harvest festival with us.
Let us begin with Baisakhi, celebrated in the northern state of Punjab. Baisakhi marks the harvest of rabi crops, primarily wheat, and is observed on April 13th or 14th each year. For the farmers, this is a time of thanksgiving to nature for the abundance of crops. This vibrant festival holds immense cultural and agricultural significance in Punjab for representing the hard work put into cultivating the winter crops.
The arrival of Baisakhi is met with joyful celebrations, including traditional music, energetic dances like Bhangra and Gidda, visits to Gurdwara Sahib for special prayers and community gatherings. The golden fields ripe with harvested wheat, which serve as a visual testament to nature's bounty, reinforcing the deep connection between the land and its people. Thank you.
Come to Bihu, that is celebrated in the northeastern part of Assam. Rangoli Bihu, which is known as Bohag Bihu, it falls on mid-April. It is also the most significant of 3 Bihu festivals celebrated in India.
It is characterized by vibrant festivals that extend over the course of several days, featuring traditional folk songs and dances like Bihu Naam, the wearing of new clothes, and the preparation of special delicacies. This festival embodies the spirit of joy, community bonding, and optimism as people welcome the new agricultural cycle in hopes for a prosperous harvest. Thank you.
In the southern states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Ugadi marks the beginning of the new year in this region and typically falls in March or April. This auspicious occasion is observed with various customs and traditions, including the preparations of a special dish called Ugadi Pachadi. This dish symbolizes the bittersweet experiences that life brings. People decorate their homes with fresh mango leaves and beautiful rangolis. They exchange well wishes and greetings for a prosperous new year. Ugadi is a time for change, reflection, and social bonds across these southern states. Thank you.
For the lively and captivating art of Bhangra.
This energetic dance is deeply rooted in traditions of Punjab, often associated with harvest celebrations and expressions of joy.
चलो फिर आनंद मान लिया पंजाब के लोक नाच भंगड़े का